friends, in our daily life, we use words like happy birthday, thank you, I like it, beautiful, which are very common and casual. So, in this video, I will tell you some other phrases that you can use in place of these words. It happens many times that you want to wish birthday to your friends or relatives, but the phrases to wish them does not comes to your mind and you end up by wishing them just by saying simple happy birthday, which seems quite boring and casual. So here I come up with some new and exciting phrases which you can use to wish someone on his birthday. You can wish them by saying many happy returns of the day. Have a great birthday. Wishing you many more candles to blow. I wish you a wonderful birthday. Wishing you a day that is as special as you are. Happy birthday and all the best to you in the year to come. When someone helps you and you want to say thank you to that person, you can use these phrases to express him your emotions by saying these exciting phrases. So stop using thank you again and again and start using these phrases. I really appreciate you. It's very kind of you. I'm so grateful. Thanks a million. You have my gratitude. I can't express my appreciation. Accept my endless gratitude. I owe you. When you really like something and want to appreciate that thing, you can use these phrases instead of just saying, I like it. I'm fond of it. I'm crazy about it. I'm really into it. It looks great. I'm passionate about it. I'm really into it. Or it sounds great. When you find something really beautiful and get attracted by something very strongly, you can use these phrases to appraise them instead of simply saying beautiful. You can say gorgeous, stunning, lovely, adorable, bewitching, admirable, elegant, delightful. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you have learned something new.